that one should be pointed this way, not this way, because these two pipes connect to that T-junction and go down toward the drain, which runs around the box here, across there, out the back wall. Instead, it wasn't draining out through that pipe right there. So, as you can see, it was dripping down this way. And this, even up like this, insulation had been blown around a little bit up here, pulled up on top of the pan, made a big disgusting mess out of everything, and caused enough to where it could start dripping over that corner, spilling down into here, which goes to that outlet, which is the smoke detector, causing the smoke detector to go off. So my smoke detector prevented my house from flooding. Who the fuck would have thought that would happen? Now I just gotta fix this, raise the pan properly, get the proper pitch on that pipe so it drains, and hopefully it'll all be fixed.